cut it up in strips.
How long was it boiling?
About 2 hours.
You're gonna cut it up in strips?
Yeah.
And how much is that, a pound?
Be a pound, maybe a pound and a half.
So you have it, cuajito with green bananas?
Yeah. Así como se dice. A mí me gusta with onions. Oh shit, not enough. Yeah, it's fine.
You're sauteing onions and olive oil?
Onions and olive oil. That's why I used to make it for your father, you know. Uncle Mike loved this shit.
And then you've got bananas in here, green bananas?
Yeah, green bananas.
Is that recao?
Yeah, this is the same where I cooked that.
Where you cook the cuajito?
Yeah, I throw it in here.
What's cuajito in English?
Pork stomach, saute onions. La salsita picante, Tabasco sauce. A gusto, to your taste, you know. Ahí está picante.